Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is Shilpa. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, hello, I'm Shilpa. I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle content here on YouTube. Also consider subscribing to our channel and also give this video a big thumbs up. And also one more thing, a very happy new year to all of you guys. I know you will be watching this particular video in 2024 because I have a lot of videos aligned, but in case if you are watching this on 2023, again, Happy New Year because it is very much required right now. So without any further ado and delay, let's jump into the video. Today we are going to see something about planners. I started my planner journey when I think back in 2020 along with one of my friends. She is also a YouTuber. So the thing is, I always been procrastinating whenever I was in school, and I used to think I have to plan and everything, but I never used to do it. But in 2020 I got my first planner. That was from Simba Lifestyle. So this is the one which I got at that time, and I was pretty consistent in doing the planning and everything. But again, the next year I got something from Pack Notes, the next year I got something from Supple Room. This year I have got something from another brand, which one I'll show you after some time. But right now let me show you my previous year planner, that is my 2023 planner. So basically this is from Supple Room, a very dainty and handy book, and this came for around 1000 rupees or something. I bought this from Amazon. I will leave the link down below. So let me give you a glimpse about this particular planner. This is a very handy planner, and also it has a lot of things. The only thing is the size is small, but it is a good and a bad aspect. Why? Because certain times things, the space is not rightly there to jot down everything. But other than that, a lot of extra things are there. You know, like budgeting and calendars and whatnot, travel planning, a lot of stuff are there inside, and also a vision board. Let me show you my last year ka vision board. This is my vision board. I'll add a clip over here. So basically from this, what will happen and what all didn't happen. So first of all, writing a book this year happened. I will leave the link down below. So I wrote a book this year that was 7 lessons from a 23-year-old. And also one more thing, the room. There was this particular hotel which I wanted to stay. Thankfully this year OnePlus Student Ambassador program happened, and exact similar room which I got, I've already updated on my Instagram stories one day, and exactly the same room came into reality. And the next one was joining a gym, having like 54 kg with a flat stomach, which didn't happen. I joined the gym, but I had to stop it after getting my job. So that was there. Getting a clear skin, yes, of course I have almost managed to get that, but I couldn't do a laser treatment, which was again a goal for this year. Coming to Mumbai, I have attached a picture of India Gate over here. So coming to Mumbai was one of the most important thing for me, but I never thought about this continuously again and again, as I thought about getting a YouTube play button, which didn't happen. At least it's been more than 5 years or 6 years I started my YouTube channel, but I'm okay with it. Again, we will skip to the next year. And then it was about driving. I didn't do that. I just drove for 2 days. That's it. Issues. And again, getting my father's chain from the bank, that was one more thing. But apparently that thing got out, but the problem was it was not taken by me, so I was sad for that, but it's fine, it came. And there is habit tracker, there is mood tracker, and much more things over here. And this is a glimpse of weekly schedule list. This is an undated planner, this is not a dated planner. So that was it about this particular planner. And also there is expense tracker, which was really a good use for me. I used to track everything. And also there is one more page towards the end where you can actually write down. 1 second, I'll just show you. So here is the monthly overview. You can write what all good things happened this year, what all improvements you can do this year, and also how much you saved, how much you spend, and a lot of other extra things can be added. So every starting of the month there is an extra column where you can add your particular goal over there. So again, with that, there is a lot of stickers and everything available with this. So this was my planner. How much I used it? I think from the past 6 months I was not consistent with this, because I was going through mentally a lot of things, so I couldn't manage to do everything. So that was about this particular planner. I will leave the link down below, you can check it out. This is a really good planner if you are a starter. Let's jump into this year planner. So this year's planner, I have already attached my vision board and everything. Vision board is something which I really enjoy doing, and something which always works out for me. So this year's planner is, drumroll please, so this is the Simba Lifestyle 2024 planner. Comes in a really cute cover design, and also it comes with 4 freebies actually. This is one book, a mini notebook, and this can be like a travel or something, you can actually really use it. This is a mini one, plain non-ruled one, and along with this we will get a calendar. It's a desk calendar. I don't know how much it is practical. I have to actually keep it in my office desk. So I got a job also. Yes, that was also one of my goals for this year, to get a job in Mumbai. That also happened, guys. I'm in Mumbai right now. If you haven't watched the moving vlog, please go and watch it. It's going to be fun. And in this one, we can actually stick pictures over here. That's the purpose of this particular one. And yes, coming to the 2024 Simba Lifestyle Planner. This is not, by the way, a paid video or anything. This is my own money. How much it costed? It costed for around 1,099. So with shipping charges, it costed me around 1,199 rupees. So this is a hardbound. There is metal detailing on the edges so that it won't get fatafied very fast. So that's what. And I won't show you my vision board for the year. That I'll show you in the coming year. But this is the starting page, and yeah, there is again period tracker, which is really good for the tracking purposes. Again, you will be easily getting like apps like Flow and everything on your phones, but this is again an extra set of thing. This is a breast examination page she have added. So this is for the breast cancer situation and everything. So you can actually do it if you have it or not have it. It is really good to do. There is birthday and event page. Then there is notes for every month. Then we have January. So every month starting, there is a postcard and everything which is given, which is really pretty. And I'm actually checking out the entire planner right now, to be honest. There is a manifestation challenge. So it is also said that every month there is a challenge. Let's see what's the upcoming challenge for the next month as well. But before that, there is monthly vision in health, fitness, work, academics, and much more other areas. And yes, there is calendar which is given, which is really cool, which is really important. And along with that, there is notes given. Then there is dated extra planner space. You can write a lot of stuff. You can write gratitude journaling, you can write your daily journaling, you can actually write your daily plans and everything. Then there is a workout tracker. Oh my god, it's really good. Workout tracker and a habit tracker. Then there is then there is expense tracker. Then there is monthly budget, but I always use expense tracker alone. I don't want a monthly budget and everything. So this is what it is. There is a to-do list for every day. So basically we can journal in the other pages and we can write a to-do list over here. It is really cool and easy to use. The only thing which I feel is the heaviness of this book. After holding this for this much time, I feel a bit tired. So yes, this is the February artwork. I'm not going to show you every artwork and all. Then the next month's challenge is self-confidence challenge. So yes, there are a lot of extra things. Let's see the back pages, what all are there. There is a meal plan as well for every month. There is monthly reflections, which is really important to actually really speaking, every year when I used to plan, towards the end of the year, we always feel like what have happened, especially this particular year. So when we see this monthly reflections, it really makes sense. Most of the time we forget a lot of things. For example, this year I got into student ambassador program. I got into one of job. I got into a good place for my internship. I had a really nice time at Bangalore. A lot of things happened. So, but I was only focusing upon the 6 months which I was totally plain and dead. But when I look back to my planners and everything, there is a good scope of opportunity that many things have already happened before. So, in this particular manner, this really helps. There is a travel planner, then there is packing list, which is really cool. Even though I don't travel a lot, we have to actually. There is end of the year reflection, and also there is about me this year. It is a really good option to have this, so that we can actually reflect upon ourselves, what have we done and what can we improve. And there is something which is interesting, which is a worry jar, where I don't know what it is called. Place all your worries in this jar, leave them here while you spend rest of the day thinking about happy things. Yes, it's a cool one. Then there is a brain dump page, so you can actually write down whatever ideas come into your mind and everything. Then there is what, connect the dot challenge. There are games and everything given. Tic-tac-toe, it's a game, I guess. Sudoku, it's again a game. So yes, it's extra things are given. There is painting pages as well. Coloring pages as well given. So it's actually cool. But the thing is, the only one thing which I noticed is there are a lot of extra stuff which is not really required. For example, the coloring pages, this and that, because if you want to carry this on a daily basis, it's actually really tough to carry. And again, there are stickers which I haven't showed you. I'll show you right now. So we have the stickers, the typical Mridul Sharma aesthetic stickers. Then there is chat boxes. We can actually write down dialogue boxes. Then there is important things to do, goals, work, relax, and a lot of other stuff. And then there are some cute pictures you can actually stick on your laptop, your planner, or wherever you want. So that was my 2024 planner. And I hope this was a helpful video for you to go through a planner, because every year I go through this particular situation to choose which planner I really wanted, because there are a lot of options for us and it's very difficult to pick the right one. And also most of the time planners are very expensive. You can either go for a very cheap planner if you are a starter, if you don't know that if you will be planning or not. Then if you have a good sort of like ideation and planning and everything, you can actually go for this particular planner. There are a lot of planners available on the market, so you can actually check from that. And if you have bought your this year's planner, that is 2024 planner already, please do let me know which one in the comment section, so that we all can actually, others can also get a good idea that what they can get it and why they can get it. So you can actually mention why did you got that particular planner and also the rate and everything. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you got something out of this particular year planner. And by the way, there is a vision board which I didn't show you. Vision board is basically sticking up your goals for the year. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't happen, but I believe everything just happens on the right time. So let's wait for that right time. Everything will just easily happen and just happen like my previous year planner. my previous year vision board, by the way. So yes, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video and if you got some new information from this, make sure to share this video with your friends and family so that others who are planning to get the new planner will also get it in the right particular manner. They will be also informed about this particular planner and also my previous year, that is 2023 planner. Basically this year, it is not yet over.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.